Finally! I've won! Oh, sorry. I didn't see you there. Anyway. Hello everyone and welcome back to Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides. Today we're combining two legendary brands that have entertained millions of fans around the world. Hot Wheels and Mario Kart. That's right, I repeat, Hot Wheels and Mario Kart. Because we'll be taking a closer look at the Standard Kart, Mario's iconic racing machine that become one of the most recognizable carts in gaming history. We'll check out the packaging, design, colors, features, learn about the real Mario Kart games, test its performance on Hot Wheels tracks, and of course, find out whenever it's worth adding it to your collection. Let's go! Now, first up, before we open this thing up, let's appreciate this impressive packaging artwork first. This release comes from the 2026 Hot Wheels Mainline Collection. It is marked 129 out of 250 in a mainline lineup. It's part of the Screen Time series and is marked 4 out of 10 in complete lineup. The packaging immediately stands out thanks to the official Mario Kart logo displayed across the top. The artwork itself features Mario happily introducing his famous Standard Kart, while the kart itself is illustrated charging forward with bright colors and oversized wheels. The classic Hot Wheels blue background blends perfectly with Nintendo's colorful artwork, making this one of the most eye-catching licensed cards of the year. Even before opening it, you know this is going to be something special, really special. Alright, time to release Mario's famous card from the blister pack. That's a clean snap, did you see that? And straight away, you can tell this casting captures the look of the game perfectly. Despite being a Hot Wheels model, it still feels instantly recognizable as Mario's iconic ride. Now for the design and features, the Standard Kart is based on Mario's default card that has appeared throughout numerous Mario Kart games since the Super Nintendo game in the 1990s. Hot Wheels and Mattel has done an excellent job recreating its simple yet iconic shape. Features include classic open rear racing kart design, signature pointed front nose, compact light body, rear-mounted engine layout, racing steering wheel, small rear spoiler, bright yellow wheels, accurate Mario Kart proportions, and smooth underbody for Hot Wheels tracks. Everything about this casting stays faithful to Nintendo's original design. Now for the color, this Standard Kart wears the famous Mario colors. For example, bright red nose cone featuring the white M emblem, white side panels, blue low body, black chassis, yellow wheels, and grey engine components. These colors instantly reminds fans of Mario himself and perfectly matches his red cap, blue overalls, and cheerful personality. Now for the detailing. For a mainline casting like this one, there's plenty of nice detail. Highlights include printed M logo on the nose, accurate kart proportions, rear engine detail, open cockpit, bright yellow racing wheels, and clean body lines. The casting itself is simple, but extremely faithful to the Mario Kart games. Now, about the wheel vehicle, the Standard Kart isn't a wheel vehicle. It's a signature kart driven by Mario in Nintendo's hugely popular Mario Kart series. First appearing in the original Super Mario Kart for this Super Nintendo Entertainment System in 1992, the Standard Kart has evolved through many games while always remaining Mario's default racing line, from Super Nintendo to Nintendo Switch 2. its balanced handling makes it perfect for beginners and experienced players alike. Now for the educational fact. Did you know the Mario Kart series has sold well over 190 million copies worldwide across all its games, making it one of the best-selling racing game franchises in history. The Standard Kart has become one of the gaming's most recognizable vehicles, alongside famous cars like the Batmobile, DeLorean, and Mark V. And now, it's time for the track performance test. Now, how does this Mario Kart Standard Kart perform on a Hot Wheels track? Let's find out and see whenever Mario Kart is just as quick on Hot Wheels tracks. Now, let's count down with me. 3, 2, 1, go! Simply excellent performance. Now, since the Standard Kart has successfully completed through the loop out there, here are the track performance results for this casting anyway. Now, for the straight speed, the lightweight casting rolls smoothly, but it isn't built for outright speed, which gives it 4 out of 5 stars. For the loops, it clears most standard loops with enough momentum, which gives it another 4 out of 5 stars. For the banked corners, the short wheelbase gives it an excellent cornering stability, which gives it 5 out of 5 stars. For the jump sections, it flies well but occasionally lands slightly sideways due to its compact design, which gives it 4 out of 5 stars. And finally, but definitely not least, booster sections. It handles boosters nicely, although larger wheels will improve stability, which gives it 4 out of 5 stars. By which I mean the overall track performance rating has been given out to the Standard Kart 8.8 out of 10 stars. And apart from that, this kart is also a good performer on straight tracks, loops, and boosters and launches. Now for the track compatibility, the Standard Kart works very well with orange tracks, launches, booster sets, Roller Raceway, Super Ultimate Garage or Garage if you're American, multi-lane racing, corkscrews, and loop sets. Now, because of its low profile, lightweight body overall, it's compatible with most modern Hot Wheels playsets. Now for the collectability, this casting is extremely collectible because it combines two legendary brands, Nintendo and Hot Wheels. Mario Kart fans, Nintendo collectors, and Hot Wheels collectors like me all love these releases. As Mario Kart castings rotate in and out of production, some become increasingly sought after over time. Now for the fun factor, this is where the Standard Kart truly shines. Whenever you're racing on Hot Wheels tracks, displaying Nintendo collectibles, playing with friends, or just building a Mario Kart collection, it delivers a huge amount of fun. Kids will instantly recognize it, while adult collectors will appreciate this nostalgia. Now let's wrap it up with my final thoughts. The Standard Kart perfectly captures the spirit of Mario Kart in a classic Hot Wheels mainline release. It's colorful, nostalgic, fun to race, and instantly recognizable. Whenever you're a lifelong Nintendo fan, or simply enjoy unique licensed Hot Wheels castings as much as I do, this little kart deserves a place in your collection. Now as for the pros, official Nintendo licensed vehicles, instantly recognizable design, bright colors, great collector value, smooth track performance, excellent crossover between gaming and Hot Wheels, and it's fun for all ages, as well as ideal for collectors and fans, and smooth rolling wheels. And for the cons, they have simpler detailing than premium models, The lightweight design means it's not among the fastest racers. Some collectors may prefer character versions with Mario included, and they also have no opening parts because this is a mainline standard only. Even though this is a card that came straight out of the Mario Kart franchise since the Super Nintendo Entertainment System in 1992. And finally, for the final ratings, the card artwork is 10 out of 10, design another 10 out of 10, detailing 9 out of 10, track performance 8.8 out of 10, and collectability 10 out of 10, as well as fun factor another 10 out of 10. Which means the overall rating for the standard card is 9.6 out of 10 stars. And apart from that, this card is also officially 100% track approved. So that's it for today's Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides unboxing and review video of the Mario Kart Standard Kart. It's proof that sometimes the simplest designs become the most iconic. Now thanks for watching Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides. If you enjoyed today's unboxing and review video, then don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more Hot Wheels unboxings, reviews, track tests, comparisons, and so much more, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another hot-tastic new upload. And also, what's your favorite Mario Kart vehicle? Is it the standard kart, pipe frame, Mark 8, B Dasher, or another classic? Let me know in the comments below. Now as always, this is Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides. Keep your wheels spinning, your tracks blazing, as well as keep racing, keep collecting, and I'll see you next time. Peace, happy collecting, and always remember, stay hot-tastic. Now, let's go for another play.